Hi everyone, I hope you're okay, and I hope that the videos we keep uploading are helping you out. On this video, guys, I'll be tackling the ninth question from the final examination, which was written in the year of 2024. And yes, guys, you're still doing mathematics paper 1, and please expect a total number of 12 videos since the question paper is 12 questions in total. And that simply means each and every question will have its own video. And please, guys, please do take this seriously. I strongly believe that knowing how to tackle exam questions will give you an edge whenever you write your final examination. So please do share the video to your peers so that they may have the same edge as you. And please do help us grow the channel by just subscribing. Guys, disclaimer, I have flu, ne? So I'm sorry if I'm going to distract you with that. Okay. We are told that A and B are the turning points of the graph of f below, and then C is the only y-intercept we have. Okay, let's answer these questions. Firstly, we are being asked for which values of x is the graph of f decreasing. In this case, guys, you don't need to think about this. Nah? You are just scanning your graph, moving from left to right. Is your graph going up or down? Nah? The direction of your graph, guys, will always change at the turning point. Over here, guys, the graph was simply going up. So it simply means the graph was increasing. Are you together? And then between the two turning points, the graph is now going down. That means the graph is decreasing, and then the direction changes at the turning point, then the graph will start increasing again. So the question said, for which values of x is the graph decreasing? The graph is decreasing between the two turning points. So basically, when x is between 1 and 5/2, between these two x values. You can write your answer like this, but for those who prefer expressing their answers in interval notation, can simply write it as x is an element of 1 to 5/2. Are you together? X is between 1 and 5/2, or you can write it as x is an element of 1 to 5/2. Okay, next question. We are being asked to write down the x-intercept of the derivative function. Yeah? The derivative function of f, guys, will have the x-intercept, the x-intercept of the derivative function will be the x-coordinates at the turning point. All right, together. So the x-intercept number 1 is 1, and the other one is just 5/2. These x values at turning point will become the x-intercepts of the derivative function. 9.3, we are being asked for which values of x will f of x, or rather will f be concave up. The concavity of a function changes at the point of inflection. If I'm given the two turning points, how do I find the x value at the point of inflection? X is just, I'll just find the average of the two x values at the turning point. And then this will end up giving me 7/4. So this is the x value at the point of inflection, rather. Are you together? So my graph, or rather f, will be concave up when x is greater than the x value at the point of inflection. So when x is greater than 7/4, the graph will just be concave up. Yeah? And then now we are being asked to determine the values of k, or rather the value of k for which y is equal to this. We'll have 3 positive x-intercepts. We'll have 3 positive x-intercepts, okay? We are told that y is equal to f of x plus k. But whenever, guys, whenever I want to find x-intercept, excuse me, I must know that y is always equal to 0. So therefore, I'm looking for the values of k, whereby f of x is equal to negative k, will simply give me 3 positive roots. They said positive, right? three positive roots or positive intercepts. In this case, guys, it's very, very simple. Né? This negative k just represents a horizontal line. If I draw a horizontal line below the turning point, below the local minimum, I'll simply have one root between the horizontal line and the curve. Né? And if I draw another horizontal line above the local maximum, I'll also have one root. Are you together? However, if I decide to draw my horizontal line between the two turning points, I'll simply get three positive roots. So over here, guys, I can conclude that, okay, this negative k is a number that is between 8 and 9. Remember that, guys, this horizontal line represents y values, right? So this y value is just a number between 8 and 9. Please keep that in mind. But we're not asked to find the value of negative k. We were asked to find the value of k. So I can just multiply everything by -1. I'll end up having -8, a positive k, and -9. Remember that, guys, whenever I multiply with the negative, the sign of the inequality changes. I'll simply have greater than over there. Né? But this is not the correct way of expressing an inequality. I just need to rearrange this, and hence k will be between -9 and -8. So that's how, guys, we're supposed to tackle that question over there. K is between -9 and -8. K is an element of -9 or -8. That's how, guys, we're supposed to tackle this question. So please do stay tuned and wait for more videos. Thank you.